Hi boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar Hairstyles. We forgot about this song here. No, we didn't, but I really let it be a little bit for a while. Now it's time to bring it up, Paint by Numbers. A great song, love it. And it fits guitar very well, of course. So let's go into this one. We have K-pop on 5th, and that's the best scenario in my opinion. Easiest chords. Now let's go through the chords. And we're going to start with C, alright? So C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the G B next. That will be 2nd fret A, then open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. A minor next. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. E minor. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have the F, which is a bar chord, so you place the next finger now on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. Speaking of G, that's the next chord. 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have the D. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Then we have two a little bit crazier chords, not too common, but we're gonna use them. It's the B7/D sharp. It's like that, only 3 strings. Try to hit that when you play it. It will be perfectly fine. You're gonna play 1st fret D string, 2nd G, and open B. Alright, and then we have the B diminished 7. So what you do here is to play this. And it goes 2nd fret A, open D, 1st G, open B, and 1st E. Yes, and there we have all the chords needed. Now, let's start with the song, the intro. And if you grab the first chord, C, we're going to learn the string pattern. You're going to play it this. That is what will be following us pretty much through the entire song. So you're going to play first 1 down, short pause, and then down, down, up. So down, 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 up. A couple of rounds. Okay, so the intro starts with C1, GB1, A minor 1, and back to GB1. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, so. And now we come into the actual song, the first verse. It's gonna be E minor 1, F1, C1, and G1. You're going to play for 2 times this part, and then you're going to finish off with D2 and F2. So let's do the second round of E minor F, C, G, and then finish off with D2 and F2. Now we're gonna hit that chorus at 31 seconds in. It's a lifetime, and that's where on the lyrics. We're gonna play C1, GB1, A minor 1, G1, F2, and D2. That's the first half of it. And yeah, you're gonna play, no, sorry, it's actually that part you're gonna play for 2 times. That's is what I'm trying to mention. So C, GB1, A minor 1, G1, F2, and D2. Yes, there we have the chorus. And then comes the instrumental parts, okay? And what we're gonna play here after that chorus is C1, the GB1, A minor 1, and now comes this B7/D sharp. You're gonna play 1 down on that, and then 1 down on the B diminished, and then you're gonna play the rest. I'm gonna show you, but first this part, C, GB, A minor, and then comes. All right, and then you're gonna play F2, and then comes D, you're gonna play down, down, up, down, and then on F, down, down, and back to D, down, down. So you're gonna play like this. So again, F2, then D, down, down, up, down, F, down, down, D, down, down. And that's the end of that instrumental parts. Now into the second round here, second verse at 55 seconds in. It's a little bit different than the first one, absolutely. So you're going to play C1, GB1, A minor 1, and GB1. You're going to play that for 3 rounds to start with. Then you're going to go into that E minor 1, F1, C1, and G1. Play that for 2 rounds. And then you're going to finish off with that D2 and F2. We played all these different parts so far in this tutorial, so we don't have to go through all that. I'm just going to mention it. It's the second verse, and then comes the second chorus / outro part. What you're going to play here is 2 halves. So it'll be the first half is C1, GB1, A minor 1, G1, F2, D2. So like this: C, GB, A minor, G, F2, D2. That's the first half. The second half goes C1, GB1, A minor 1, then G, C. Only 1 down per chord there. So G, C, and then F2 strum rounds and D2 strum rounds. So it goes like this: C1, GB1, A minor 1, G, C, F2, and D2. And that is the second part. You're going to play all these for 2 full rounds, and that is pretty much how this song ends. Harry Styles, Paint by Numbers, a great song. Give it a try. A little bit crazy, 2 chorus. You're going to throw in there. A little bit jazzy, maybe classical or so. I don't know what genre that chord is, but still, it fits there. And that is how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you do enjoy my work, then support me here. Leave me a like, comment, subscribe, all good stuff. Be back, and hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tune.